Easy and quick crochet snowflake. Perfect for beginners. No complicated stitches, just simple crochet with a clean, elegant result. If you love quick, small crochet projects and last-minute gift ideas, you're in the right place. All right, let's get started. For this snowflake, I'm using a 50% cotton and 50% acrylic yarn. You can keep the last round in one solid color or use a sparkly yarn for an extra festive touch. And I'll be using a 2.20mm crochet hook. Start by making a magic ring. Chain 1 and work 12 single crochets into the ring. Gently pull the ring closed, then slip stitch into the first single crochet to finish the round. Chain 3. Into the same stitch, work 1 treble crochet, chain 3. Now work 2 treble crochets side by side. Chain 3. Then work 2 treble crochets side by side. Repeat this pattern until you have 7 groups in total. Take your time here and try to keep all your stitches even. When you reach the end of the round, chain 3, then slip stitch into the top of the first chain to finish the round. Chain 1. Work 1 single crochet into the top of the second treble. Into the chain space, work a single crochet, a half double crochet, and a double crochet. Chain 4. Into the same space, work a double crochet, a half double crochet, and a single crochet. Now make 1 single crochet between the 2 trebles. Move on to the next chain space. Into the chain space, work a single crochet, a half double crochet, a double crochet, chain 4, then a double crochet, a half double crochet, and a single crochet. Make 1 single crochet between the 2 trebles. And repeat this pattern all the way around. Keep the shape nice and neat here. And take your time. When you reach the end of the round, slip stitch into the first single crochet to close the round. At this point, you can cut the yarn and switch to a sparkly yarn for the final round. I'll keep working with the same color. Chain 1, then slip stitch your way to the chain space. Work 1 single crochet into the chain space. Chain 4. Slip stitch into the front loop of that single crochet. into the same space. Work 1 double crochet, then 1 treble crochet. Chain 5. Slip stitch into the back loop of that chain. Repeat this step 3 times in the same space. Chain 5, then slip stitch. Chain 5. Slip stitch into the same space. Into the same chain space. Work 1 treble crochet, then 1 double crochet. Into the same space. Work a single crochet. Chain 4, then slip stitch into the front loop of the single crochet. Keep the loops neat here, and don't pull too tight. Slip stitch over each stitch below until you reach the next chain space. I've worked 7 slip stitches side by side here. Repeat the same pattern in every chain space all the way around. Start with a single crochet, chain 4, then slip stitch into the front loop of that single crochet. Into the same space. Work 1 double crochet, then 1 treble crochet. Chain 5. Slip stitch into the back loop of the first chain. Repeat this step 3 times in the same space. Into the same chain space. Work 1 treble crochet, then 1 double crochet. Now work a single crochet, then chain 4. Slip stitch into the back loop of the first chain. Keep the pattern consistent as you go. Slip stitch 7 times side by side until you reach the next chain space. Repeat the same pattern all the way to the end. I worked the final round with sparkly yarn off camera. When you reach the end, work 3 slip stitches side by side, then cut the yarn. Now make an invisible join into the top of the first stitch. You can secure the yarn here and tie a knot. Or if you're making this as a decoration, you can add a small hanging loop. As a final touch, you can gently steam the snowflake to shape the points and smooth everything out. And just like that, your crochet snowflake is complete. That's everything for this tutorial. Which color would you choose for your snowflake? Before you go, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and share it with your loved ones. See you in the next tutorial.